Oh, fuck, what the fuck just happened? I don't know if anyone can hear me or if anyone's listening or what. But I couldn't do that. And keep coming on. Ugh.
All right, guys, we are live, so let's make this happen. What am I missing here? Missing a little. Let's see what happens here. I'm really kind of surprised it's not pumping any.
See you later, baby.
But
Bye, darling. Shoot, let me try to set this up here. Sorry. We should be good here. Okay.
oh, whoa. And it just like that. Let's flip it. Just above me. Let's try to lift away for a second. Looks like we're having some trouble here.
Yeah, I'm out of this one here, guys. So. Wow. Let's
This
go,
one.
Dan. Let's go, Dan.
Well, this show.
Get it, Dan. Get it,
It.
Dan. Make that money, dude. I'm really doing much better on the NQ, to be honest with you.
Hey, stop. God damn, dude. My cat starts this early. I'm having a problem.
I've had. It seems like I've had much more luck in the NQ with trades than I have in the ES lately.
Yeah. Did you see Walter say pump and dump? Does he know what that is?
Did you see? But did you see what I said? Because I told him that I made money while sitting on the toilet this morning. So he was talking
Oh,
about literally
oh, oh, oh,
a literal dump.
oh, oh, oh. That's funny.
I was basically saying while you guys were sitting there making your coffee, I was taking a crap and made $500 trade.
Ooh, look at
Dude, that strategy is really working for me right now.
that. Good, good, good.
I saw you didn't mean to bump your tail.
A nice run right through the morning right here, dude.
Yeah, it really. I started pumping about 4:30 this morning. I woke up and I have a I have an alert set on when the RSI crosses over um, the top margin,
Mhm.
and
Look at this. Keep going. I drew all this out pre-market. I'm just pretty much just hitting everything, man.
the gap.
It's just,
There it goes. There's my other alert. it's going to keep going. I don't know though. And
Buddy, I need you to get down.
would you close that trade out at?
I think clear like $350.
Nice. Two contracts.
I'm liking this. Look at this, nice and easy today. Fucking ripper dipper.
We could see the. Here's. I was going to say we could see the reversal here.
Hey, Kilo. Oh my god. Fuck. Never stops with this fucking guy. I thought I wanted an exotic breed of cat. Didn't realize how much they're fucking wild. Dark in the sky. Dark in the sky. Damn, dude, I drew these levels out pretty fucking nice.
Mm-hmm.
This could be a reversal if we create another low here or a lower high because these stops didn't get taken out up here. So that means that there's still all of this liquidity still in play and could begin a driving force down. Two. Two.
If it drops below this 85.20, we're going to go down. Yeah, here we go. Which, by the way, just letting y'all know, I was in that trade there, $500. Boom, done.
Kilo, god damn it, dude.
Man, I set my stop loss right there at the 80. Where did I set it at? Or my take profit? Right, man. Right at 80 to 84 even. So $500, I'm done. Bam.
Yeah, keep that for today rather than losing
No,
it.
I'm done, dude. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, good, good.
I did a two contract trade with a stop loss at $250. Take
Just-
profit at 500. Never saw red.
See, and that's my point, bro. Zero stress, like easy. I'm trying to teach people not like just how to trade, but like how to actually make money trading. And it's not like I said, like my strategy is good, but if you find something that works better for you, that's fine. I'm just gonna sit here and coach you on how to actually make money. Because what people tend to do is they lose money after they fucking make it.
Right. And so I read something earlier that was basically,
Dude, look at this gap,
oh my
bro.
God.
This gap is all the way down here, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I could have stayed. The thing of it is like I could have stayed in that trade easily. But my thing is like my profit, that risk reward was a 2 to 1, which is a little, I guess a little more
Two's
aggressive.
fine. Two to one. No, 2 to 1's fine.
And
Two to one's fine.
it was 20 ticks for the take profit. So I think that was perfectly placed for 2 contracts. So it's like I could have got greedy and kept in the trade. I mean, there was still strength in the reversal for me, but it was like for me, it was like that 84 even mark just seemed like a good place. So, but I'm not. Somebody I read something somewhere. It was like it's not about making money; it's about managing your money.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I say stop trading after you make money, because then you're not. Then that's why you'll lose it. Yeah, no, that's exactly it.
So total trades today, I did jump in at like 3 in the morning for like a $50 trade or whatever, but 5 trades today. I'm done. 80% profitable trades.
See now that they see, so that what's good is like as you perfect that, the thing is that you just up the contracts, and then your 2 trades that you make in that day, or your 3 trades will be 2 3 grand. That's what I've been trying to say. Like,
Yeah, step into it, and
but
as
yeah,
you separate yourself from the drawdown, then you have a higher risk margins, right? So
yeah, exactly. So then you can take like if you're like, oh, I really know this one's gonna turn around, blah, 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 like okay, but like you still don't get in those habits. I really don't recommend it, but yes, if you give yourself more of that margin, you can play more.
10 minutes done. Awesome, dude.
Well, place got stopped out on that. Kilo, dude. I got stopped out on that, and then it just comes right back down.
Yeah, that was
Let's watch this sell straight through. Come on.
so. There. Um, that was kind. What do they call that? A bearish. Is that like kind of a bearish flag if you were doing like a
Yeah,
TP on that?
yeah.
So you would, if I'm not mistaken, you would enter right at the bottom of that low and stop at that previous high.
Whoa.
Yeah, and this is gonna.
Don't do that to me.
So like on my screen, I have that RSI, so it's indicating some
Oh, that's
oversell.
some fucking bullshit.
Yeah, it's indicating some oversell here. It's going to bounce off this VWAP. Well, the VWAP on the S&P. I'm not. You're trading the AQ right now, so
Yeah. This is gonna dump down the moment get out of it. Come on, I just need to break this fucking one level, and we're gone. There we go. There we go.
1100. Nice. 1200.
Good job.
Bam.
And I mean, I could have taken this down to literally right here, which is the low of the day, or the actually,
And
no, that's
Dan.
right here. What is this? This high,
And
and
Dan's
then
low.
there's a new open week gap.
There you go, man. Man, everybody made money today.
I want to see this close this gap so I can just really, and this is where the stop sort of ends. I mean, here you got your perfect VWAP, boom, and then boom. It's funny, basically, like if you look on the ES bounced above it and then broke, and then this bounced under it and then broke.
So, so on our analytics for our streams, our, our largest volume as far as views goes is our large.
What?
Who just got
Someone
in?
just jumped on here.
Who's up at the
Look at
top?
this. This is a perfect short right here. Look at that. This tap again on the ES. This obvious break. Bro, look at this. Look at this shit, dude. Look at where the ES went to exactly, bro. Like I drew this line way earlier, and look at that shit. Exactly from right here.
So who? Someone just came on and said they were up $1,000. Who was it?
Charles.
Let's freaking go. Dude, this is fire, but like, yeah, like our biggest like views right now. We had a pretty high view on just some clips that we put together that was like a 4-minute video.
Oh,
And so I'm recording clips as we're streaming right now, so I can mash those together and throw it in. But that seems to be where we're getting most of our views, the shorter videos.
There's just like levels everywhere.
Just gonna retest this low again here. It might. Oh, there we go. Blowing through it, man. Damn. So we've been. Let's see. I closed at 20 ticks. How many ticks down? This is short right now. Let's see. I'll measure this out. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I don't want the fib.
Look at this simple bounce break.
Jesus, dude. This is.
Also, make sure to roll your contracts. Ugh. Probably this week will be rolling contract. Ugh. Dun, 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 dun. The opening range, I didn't even draw on it, but it's like pretty much from here to here. It was already drawn from other shit. Literally perfect, exactly. Opening range is right here to here. Bad kilo.
So. So uh, from our entry on those shorts, went 57 ticks, man. 57 ticks. Wow.
Yeah, like you don't need cryptos to do 100x. It happens all day. I think what it is with the cryptos is that people don't want to actually have to learn. Like they don't actually want to have to put in the effort to like rely on their skills to be able to trade something well. They actually want to be able to just say it's luck, because then it's also less like it's less on them. You know what I'm saying? Like it's less like they don't want to have to know how to actually trade something. So most people are just like, I rather throw my money into something that is just sheer luck. Like I don't have to think as much. It's just chalks up to luck anyway. Subconsciously, like I can't. Bro, I watched this fucking video yesterday of these kids. Like the guy that like goes up to people. He's like, "What do you do for a living?" And they're usually people driving in nice cars. Have you seen this guy on YouTube?
Yeah.
He did it to these like young ass kids. They were in a LaFerrari, which is like a $4.7 million Ferrari. It's one of the most expensive Ferraris they've ever made. Very like. Also, the funny part about the LaFerrari is there's so few of them that like Ferrari knows everyone that owns one of them.
Right.
God damn it, Kilo.
I'm just gonna say I think the star of this of all these streams is gonna be that cat. But yeah, I've seen that guy. I've also seen.
But anyway, the guy goes up to these kids And he's like, "Oh shit, nice car. What do you do for a living?" The kid like, "Oh, it's not mine." And then the kid like, "Oh, who's this?" And then he's like, "My dad's." And you can tell the kid's like completely like freaking out. He's like, not, like, and he's like, "Yo, yo, yo, take me off camera. Yo, yo, take me off camera." And like in the comments, it says like, "Kid stole it from his dad." Like he's so fucked.
I've also seen that. I've also seen that same guy do that, and he goes up to a dude that doesn't speak. He speaks like Italian, so he doesn't speak any English, and he's like,
Yeah.
"What do you do for a living?" And the guy in the past, and he's driving like a he's driving a McLaren, and the guy that's sitting next to him is like, "Oh, you don't speak English," and he's like, "Well, what does he do for a living?" He's
I
like,
can't hear you. I can't hear you.
so the same guy went up to this dude at a car.
Yeah, I heard. Okay, I heard that part.
Yeah, so he goes, "What do you do for a living?" The guy can't speak English, so he goes, "Oh, he speaks Italian," and he goes, "Well, what does he do for a living?" He goes, "Are you serious?" And he goes, "Yeah." He goes, "Dude, he is McLaren." Like,
McLaren's McLaren is a British car company.
well, the guy that is McLaren, like,
Maybe because McLaren is like literally like that was the whole thing. That's British. They're British. Maybe the new C. I mean, the CEO doesn't have to be British anymore. Like the CEO of Lamborghini, the CEO and chairman is not Italian.
maybe
So
he
it's
was.
funny.
No, maybe it wasn't McLaren. No, it was the Koenigsegg.
Koenigsegg, and that's Swedish.
Yeah. So, anyways, he goes, "Yeah, he is like the creator or whatever. His last name is Koenigsegg, the guy that was in the car." It's like, oh, shit.
That would have been a perfect entry on the ES right there. And you know it's down there, right? Matt, you know it's down there, right?
Another room. What'd you
You're
say?
good. You're good. Saying it looks like we're going down. I'm
Oh
saying
yeah.
you know what's down there.
Yes.
That gap.
Yeah. There's a there. So there's. I don't like how this thing's got like super small gaps. I gotta readjust my threshold for
Bro, I'm
gaps.
telling you, just draw them yourself.
Yeah, I
It's
just
gonna
didn't have
make your
time.
shit so
Yeah,
much easier.
I didn't have time this morning. What I did, I just was trying to get my daughter set up for school. Let me see. Let me
You should just teach your daughter how to trade.
I'd love to.
Bro, honestly, you wanna know how we'll become YouTube like millionaires is you have your daughter trading. Dude, I watched something about like the adventures of Nick and Vlad, like some two kids that made 70 like $1 million last year on YouTube,
Holy cow.
and they just do adventures going around their house. Like they dress up like in superhero costumes and just go around their house. You know why? It's because kids watch YouTube the most because their parents give them iPads.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And like that Ryan's toy reviews. Have you seen how much that kid's worth? And his parents literally just did all they did was basically film Ryan like opening toys and like just saying I guess the idea is that these toy companies just started sending him toys and was like, hey,
Yeah,
like
yeah, because it gets other kids. It
yeah,
sells it for other kids.
exactly.
Other kids are like, "Oh my god! Like I want that reaction. Like I want that."
Yeah, exactly. And he so as he's, you know, doing these toys, and then all of a sudden now he's got deals with Nickelodeon. He's got toys like Mattel's done stuff with him.
Of course,
He's like two
loaded.
hundred and something $1 million a year. Like it's crazy.
That's disgusting, dude. Like that's actually gross.
Oh, it is. Yeah, for sure.
Well, what's gross to think about is like Elon Musk could literally give every human being on the face of this earth like $3 billion, and it wouldn't even affect, and he would still have more money than everyone.
Yeah.
But then again, if everybody had $3 billion, it would be just like everybody having, nothing.
They did an interview with Mr. Wonderful, and they were exactly talking about that. They were like, Elon Musk is worth $300 billion
Yeah,
estimated.
he could give every person like 100. Wait, here's 300 billion. There's 3 billion. He could give everybody $100 billion. No, no,
$1 billion
no.
is
No, he could give everybody $30 billion. No, he can give everybody $10 billion. Right?
10 million.
10 billion. There's
If there's 3 billion and he's got 300 billion, then yeah, he could give everybody $10 billion.
he could give everybody more than that.
He could give
That'd
everybody
be only because
100
that'd be
billion, and then he would be broke. But
yeah.
if he gave everybody $1 billion, then he would still, oh, yeah, he would still walk. Or no, if he gave everybody $1 million, then that would cost him $3 billion. He would still have like $297 billion. That would
So
be
look, he's to make this easy. He's got how much? 30. He's got $300 billion. Elon Musk.
yeah.
My calculator doesn't even go that far. Divided by 6 billion people, he can give everybody $50.
What?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Only no, he can only give everybody $50. 300 billion divided by 6 billion people is 50. He can only give everybody $50.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
How did we not do that math right? That's embarrassing.
I'm sitting here like, for real?
Yeah. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, he could. He doesn't obviously doesn't have that in like cash capital.
Yeah, yeah. That's his net worth, like his companies, the
Everything.
equity he has in stocks. Yeah.
But like Mr. Wonderful said, he was like, the guy was like, "How much money is too money?" He goes, "Listen," he's like, "Well, I guess that depends on what you put is worth about what he's done for, the world. I mean, as far as emission controls, which I disagree with. I think there's more emissions in mining for lithium and stuff that make the batteries than there is in cars, but SpaceX exploration and things like that.
I'm playing the same song over and over again. Didn't even really hear it.
Hey Charles, how's it going, man?
He said, "Fuck you."
What's up?
I said, what's going on, Charles?
Chilling, bro. Fucking just got to work, sitting in the whip. That's why I wasn't saying anything.
Did you was that you earlier? Did you get in a trade?
What trade?
Did you get in a trade this morning? Did you trade?
Nah, just think crypto and shit.
Oh,
Yeah, I haven't been doing shit. Just been trying to build in the crypto shit. They're ready to launch something soon.
What are they launching?
Just a meme token.
What's
A
the like
bullshit.
process of launching one? Like, what is the wait? Like, why not? Why don't they just press go?
Hold on one second. What's up?
What's the like? What do they have to gear up for?
Oh, nothing. I just need to come up with a concept, just build up. I think I'm just gonna try to do something. Usually I try to do something within the meta, you know what I mean? But you gotta move fast. So I'm just gonna build something that's I can make something and at any given time I can launch it. I got like two different ideas. Yeah. Just build up, create content, and then just launch it. Tell everybody about it. Fucking
dude,
just launch it.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I think that Hellcat one was absolutely
Bro, that's what I want to
hilarious
fucking do. Straight
and
up.
freaking
That's what I want to do. I
genius.
want to bring Hellcat back, bro.
That was a genius idea.
Makes sense. You can chill on this water out someplace else.
Yeah.
Like if you
We
could,
just gotta
if you
figure it
could
out.
I
see
know
like
it's dry. It's dry. It's not.
Yeah, I'll check it out in a minute. I'll run another bead, just whatever, make sure it's all
Oh,
good.
it's dry as fuck.
I got you. I'm gonna check it out.
like if you could
My
go
bad, bro.
through the legalities of like having um, marketing, or if you could have part of the tax, like do a 6% tax, and then do like 3% in the liquidity, like, and then do like 10% marketing, and like or something, split it up where like
Yeah.
one of the part of that tax goes into like the actual Hellcat purchasing wallet, and do that giveaway when it hits like 10 million or a million or whatever. Do the
But
math on
dude,
that.
it'll never do the math. You'll never have enough taxes from that.
No. I'm good on. I'm good. As far as that giveaway shit and stuff like that, I would just do it as a meme token. Let it fucking rock. Do what it's got to do, and bro, nothing really lasts longer than 3 days. Like straight
That's
up.
but that's what I think is crazy, bro. The amount of time and effort you put in for those 3 days to make like realistically what to make. Like, be honest, how much money would you plan to make?
It depends on like how you do it. You know what I mean? I've done projects and fucking didn't want to sell on my chart because I was new to it and this and that, and then you know what I mean? I've never fucking made any profit other than the taxes that I made last time.
But
But
that's what I'm
I
saying.
had
So like,
three
what
I
would
had
you?
three I had three wallets at one point when my project got up to 250K. Each one of them were worth fucking 9K a piece. My dumb ass didn't sell. Everybody else did make money. So I mean, I can fucking launch a project and do it right. Like I know what it takes to do a project. I know both sides of it. If you want to fucking make money, I know how to make money. But yeah, I don't know. I want to launch something. I'm just I don't know. And then once I launch a project and I get to that and I deploy something else off the next wallet, it just keeps growing and growing and growing. It depends.
Launch something that puts money into taxes that you trade futures with.
Yeah.
Come again?
Launch something that goes into taxes that you trade futures with.
That's what I need to do. Yeah, I need to make some fucking bread on the side. I keep fucking with crypto and I get burned and all this shit. But yeah,
I just put money in. We're gonna start a little like stream where I turn. I think it ended up being like $325 or something after everything. I put three like whatever it is into a brokerage. It should go in by like tomorrow, I think.
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna turn it into like I think we said like 5K, like just like in the end of the month.
Yeah. Fucking I had some boys that
Oh.
just did that emoji or whatever the shit that just fucking took off. Emoji or something.
I truthfully don't know anything about what's going
Whatever.
on.
So what they did is they basically launched the token. They did like a 30% tax, 15 in, 30% out for the first couple blocks, and then it was a rebase, and they put it to a 5.5 tax, and then they're gonna end the rebase. They're gonna renounce the contract, and then they're doing some deck shit. I was like, wow, that sounded pretty cool.
Wouldn't say food.
I hate
Wouldn't say
I hate-
rebase style token.
I hate fucking rebase, but I mean, I know, Dan, you're all about that, or you were all about the
I
Safu shit.
was until that dude's fucking fucked. I mean, that project made me so much money, but then in the end, I don't know what happened. I have
Yeah.
no idea. At the end, they did get hacked. I know that they did get a real hack. But then after that, some of the stuff that happened afterwards seems like shady. So it's like, I don't know if that hack was kind of just used as like a
Yeah, a reason to fuck up the project.
yeah. But I do
Yeah.
know that the hack wasn't the hack wasn't the hack was legitimate at first. That might have led to like unsavory tactics afterwards. There might have been just a fuck you
They're like,
moment,
oh shit,
or like
we have a weak spot. Yeah, we can expose it. Yeah.
or yeah, whatever. I don't know, but yeah, I mean that sucks. I lost a lot of money, a lot of money.
Damn.
Solid, right?
I lost 20 grand. Like
Hey, Dan, can you hear me? Yeah.
That's hydraulic cement, so I mean it's supposed to stop water anyways. I'm just checking to see how it carries.
my WhatsApp's not working. Hold on.
The boost is low.
And then I'll put that piece up.
Yeah, we'll get some of that latex shit.
Yeah.
We'll fucking hit it.
Not sure what's wrong with WhatsApp, but it's not opening.
There's some up there. Dude. I was gonna say it's getting ready to break this low.
My bad, I'm gonna get to work out. I'll tap back in a little bit.
There you go. There's a little consolidation. We had this to me is,
This would be like
this would be a, to me it would be a risk. I would
you got all this. This is a great trade.
yeah, there's some gaps down there below around between the 68, I think is I can't go. Are you in a trade here? One contract trade. So let's see what happens with one contract here.
Dan, did that reverse?
Sorry, what'd you say?
Did the last trade reverse? Because I just snapped off.
Yeah, the last trade that I took was better for sure. Well, this could run down. I mean, so liquidity. There is more liquidity on this sorting side, but this liquidity looks like it's up here. Like it might turn around to grab it, but ultimately we should be able to come all the way down to here. Let's get 60-38. This should really continue to go down. This what's this one? This is also why I only did one contract on this too. 'Cause I had a feeling that there's gonna be some. It's not just gonna be a complete fall.
Okay, looking at the 1 hour chart, so we was low as just a moment. As low as 271 for the for the Nasdaq.
What'd you say now? The below the 71 rate? Wait.
Because of the last long green tick, green one.
Yeah. We're below all of them. We're below this
Yeah.
red. This
Yeah.
is the 65 level, which is where really it's kind of this
Yeah.
push up, then this push down.
Yeah.
That's our support. And then
Yeah.
so right here, now we're below
Yeah.
that. We're way below
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, so
Huh. There may be more volume on the new contract. It seems fine. I'm probably gonna trade the new contract though. My God, can they just do something already?
is that December contract the one you're talking about that's new?
Yeah,
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more volume on there.
really? Yeah. I'll just I'll just go over there then. No point. That's probably why things are moving slow.
Yeah, like in the order books, there's over combined 9,000 contracts or nine. What is it? 9.1K. I don't.
There's not that much more, but yeah, there's not too much more though. Yeah, it's actually really, really similar. Not very good though.
There could be there could be a reversal here. Maybe we'll see. It's definitely trying to be more bullish.
I have to redraw.
So are we bullish today or we are bearish?
Honestly, not a very easy answer at the moment because a little bit of both, truthfully. Like
Yeah.
there's,
I
it
think
looks
the
like it's
C-
turning around now. That's the thing.
yeah, I think the CPI today. So
There is.